Misty. Wow. Oh, it's raining.
It's not raining.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Finally, after a great stay at Queenstown, to be precise on Moke Lake, we are heading towards Blue Pools Trek. It's in Wanaka. So we'll be doing a small hike. You can't even call it a trek, but yeah, it has been named Blue Pool Trek. So we are going there. Let's see how it's going to be. So far, really good.